have said that the Gauss law is integration of E vector dot dA vector for a closed surface is equal to phi, of course, and that is equal to sigma q and closed upon epsilon 0. Remember that?
Yes.
Okay. So that's what electric field or electricity or electrodynamics. Now for magnetism. B vector dot dA vector. Also magnetic flux. This is fine, right? So this is electric flux and this is magnetic flux for a closed surface, right? That is for a closed surface. Again, just like that Gauss law is only valid for closed surface. This Gauss law is only valid for closed surface. Is equal to 0. Alright, is equal to 0. Possible that you may have been expecting something like this here, sigma pole strength upon into mu 0. બરાબર કે નહીં? Actually આવું જ હોય. Correct or not? But this is going to be 0. The reason being, suppose you take a magnet. We say that it has poles, right? Trying to go by what you know from chapter 1. And we take a Gaussian surface here. Today the flux is positive. Yes or no? Okay, positive because charge enclosed is positive. Okay, so you try to do a similar thing here. Flux will be 0. Is that okay? Flux will be 0. ભલે ને એવું તમને લાગે કે આ તો ખાલી નોર્થ પોલ જ અંદર છે તો આવું ન જોઈએ. No, because in magnetism the poles are never separate. એટલે આ પોઈન્ટ પર એવું નથી કે ખાલી નોર્થ છે. You understand what I'm saying? Clear or not clear? The way we have defined north pole, શું છે ખબર? The side where the side of the magnet which points towards north when you allow it to freely rotate. That side is called north pole. બાકી કઈ એવું કઈ pole કે point એવું કઈ છે ને where there is really something like a pole. So કોઈ એમ પૂછે કે where is the north pole really? Then actually it's everywhere throughout the whole magnet. And where is the south pole? Throughout the whole magnet. I know, then that might become a little weird when you try to think about magnetic moment. Magnetic moment is from south to north. Okay, magnetic movement is from south pole of magnet to north pole of magnet. Now when I say that everywhere there is north pole and everywhere there is south pole, then these statements obviously lead to confusion. Possible. So the idea is that this north-south is something like a human defined construct. બાકી તો એક જ વસ્તુ ફિક્સ છે. When you put a dipole in a magnetic field, suppose magnetic field આમ છે તો એ આમ align થઈ જશે. Did you understand? આ external field. Okay, then M will get aligned like this. સમજાણો? તો છે ને M becomes parallel to B external. So that it achieves stable equilibrium. Clear or not? So that it achieves stable equilibrium. Now, if it achieves stable equilibrium like this, and we have defined that the pole that faces or that points towards the north pole of Earth, where suppose Earth the field. So if we come south to north, we know that. The field lines of Earth go from about geographic south to geographic north. એટલે એના કારણે એવું થશે કે આ સાઈડને આપણે નોર્થ કહીએ. And then by extension we can say that magnetic moment of a bar magnet is from south. Did you understand? બાકી આ north એ artificial છે અને આ south એ artificial છે. Don't forget that. Clear? So there are no separate poles. There are no separate poles. If they were separate, see, some people sometimes think that third, how we go there, north south, north south, north south, north south. This is a valid idea. Okay, but they say north south, north south. But still, this is troublesome. It's not as wrong as only one north and only one south, but it is still wrong. कोई एम क्या कहता है राइटिंग वर्ड बना के तो so that one will have two north poles and the other one will have less. Sometimes it will have more south. That doesn't make sense. Clear? अच्छा આવું કેમ થાય? Why is it that you cannot separate north pole or south pole? એટલે પછી પાછા આની પર આવે છે. Compare the bar magnet with a solenoid. આ બધા ટર્ન્સ છે for example, બરાબર? આ solenoid. And let's say current is flowing maybe ચલો આમ draw કરે તો આમ જ આવે. Let's say current is like this. The magnetic field is coming like this. Did you understand? પછી આમ જઈને પાછું આમ આવશે. Fine? Understood what I'm drawing? Yes. Right? Something of this. So let's say this is like equivalent of a bar magnet. હવે આ તો કટ કરना પડતો છે. Suppose I want to find it. Then do you realize that the remaining thing still has a magnetic moment? અને જો આખામાં તમે એવું કહેતા હોય કે મેગ્નેટિક ફિલ્ડ લાઈન આમ જાય છે તો યુ નો ઇટ બિહેવ લાઈક ધીસ, તો અહીંયા તમે નોર્થ પોલ કહેતા હતા, અહીંયા સાઉથ પોલ. હવે આને અડધું કટ કરી નાખો તો અહીંયા એવું છે નોર્થ પોલ આવે, અથવા હજી કટ કરી નાખો તો હજી એક નોર્થ પોલ આવે, હજી એક નોર્થ પોલ. છેલ્લે શું બાકી છે? Only one turn. Yes or no? Yes. So as long as there is only one turn, what's happening here? South north બધું એક જ જગ્યાએ, but it's there. I mean, if you want to define it that way. बाकी magnetic field तो हजी आम की आम बन जाए. Did you understand? Yes or no? Yes. Sure. Ultimately, if you remove that also, the magnet is there. Make sense or not? So what am I telling you? It's that if you try to remove poles of a magnet, for example, understand it like as if it's a solenoid, and try to remove portions of solenoid. So ગમેલા portion કાઢો, you'd still get both the poles, or you'd still get the magnetic moment. સમજાય ને? એનો સમજાણો. Okay, and ultimately you will have to remove everything. Only then it will go away. So you cannot remove only south, or you cannot remove only north, and then you can have the remaining north. સમજાણું? So what this means is monopoles do not exist. Not just that they are paired like this, but they are also not at different places. This is also, strictly speaking, a wrong representation. સમજાય છે? એવું નથી કે નોર્થ અહીંયા છે, સાઉથ અહીંયા છે, તમે કટ કરી નાખો તો આ બાજુ નોર્થ લઈ. Understood what I'm saying? So where are north pole and south pole? They are everywhere. They are everywhere. Just like in a solenoid. Where are the turns? They are everywhere. સમજાણું? એને જેવું છે. Yes, તો સમજાણું બેન. આડું કાપી તો કે ફરક પડે. આમ કાપણ દે ને, બે મેગ્નેટ થઈ જાય. ત્રાસું કાપતો એ કઈ ફરક પડે. To understand how it behaves, it's best to consider a solenoid. Suppose there is a solenoid here. Right? અને એને તમે આમ કટ કરી નાખો. Right? So then we are getting a weird kind of solenoid where one turn is smaller than the bigger and bigger. સમજાણું? આવું થાય ને, આમ slant કટ કરીએ તો provided current can still flow in the same way. સમજાણું કે નહીં? So we get two solenoids or two bar magnets with same magnetic moment, which will be half of this. કેમ half? સીધી જ વાત છે. આ તમે આમ કટ કરો તો એરિયા અહીંયા બધે અડધો થશે. Make sense or not? You are dividing the area into two parts. Correct or not correct? આ complicated cut હોય તો એના બદલે easy વાળું સમજો કે સપોઝ અડધેથી જ આમ ઉડાડો તો અડધો એરિયા ઉપર અને અડધો એરિયા નીચે. If area will become half, magnetic moment becomes half. Why so? Magnetic moment is NIA. સમજાય? એરિયા half તો એટલે આમાં એવું થશે. Is that understood? Same idea here. If you cut this magnet like this, what will happen? So area becomes half. Effect એવી થાય કે બેની magnetic moment half થશે. એકની m/2 ને બીજાની m/2. Make sense or not? બરાબર. પછી તમે એમ પૂછો કે પોલ્સ ક્યાં છે? Then I say that same thing. Wrong question. પોલ્સ ક્યાં હોતા જ નથી. પોલ્સ બધે છે અને પોલ્સ ક્યાંય નથી. સમજાય છે? એનો સમજાણો. Is it right to actually say that North Pole is here and South Pole is here? No. I mean, it's a way of representing. બાકી તમે પછી એમ ગોતવા જશો કે આ નોર્થ પોલ અહીંયા છે તો અહીંયા હોલ કરી નાખી દો, મને તો એવા ક્વેશ્ચન પૂછાતો હોય. You understood what the question is? કે નો સમજાણું. You take north pole and you make a hole over there. તો ખાલી south pole જ રહે ને north તો જતો રહે. એવું ન હોય. Did you get that? Still you will get two magnets. Okay, Tapan, everything clear?
સર તમે કીધું ને કે m/2 થઈ જશે હાફ કર્યું તો સર એન્ડ પણ ચેન્જ થશે તો નંબર ઓફ ટર્ન્સ.
Number of
ટર્ન્સ
how can you say number of turns? Given that આ corner થી આ corner સુધી એવી રીતે આપણે કટ કરીએ તો આ ટર્ન આવ્યો, આ ટર્ન આવ્યો, આ નંબર ઓફ ટર્ન્સ થશે કે
આમ મારું બાકી આમ કે આમ.
આ તો suppose you would cut it in another way. Let's say this is a solid and you cut it like this, then area will remain same. આમ કટ કરીએ તો area તો same જ રહે ને, but number of turns will become half. If number of turns becomes half, magnetic moment so it's just like cutting the magnetite. Something sure? Yes, please. Of course, yes. You can also say that the number of field lines entering will always be same as number of field lines leaving. And why is that? Because magnetic field lines never end. They don't start, they don't end. Because monopoles are not there. Right? For example, if you compare the two situations, suppose they are positive. So any field line yes or no? They are starting from this. And I was in. Can you consider a similar idea in magnetism? એમને તમે અડધું જોશો તો તમને એવું લાગશે હા ઓકે પછી ગ્રેજ્યુઅલી આમ પછી બીજા સીનમાં આમ એન્ટ્રી ઘણા સાવતો હોય પછી શું આમ થાય આ ફીલ્ડ લાઈન આમ જાય ઓકે આ પ્લસ 1 છે તો માઈનસ 1 પાછું માઈનસ 1 મેક સેન્સ ઓર નોટ? એટલે એવી રીતે કરતા કરતા ટોટલ શું રહેશે 0. If 4 will leave, then 4 will also enter from the other side. Now, because monopoles don't exist, or you could say because magnetic field lines are always forming close. Clear? એટલે આ ત્રણ sentences connected છે એકબીજા. Magnetic field lines don't form closely. Magnetic monopoles do not exist, and total flux for a closed surface is always 0. That is, this is called the Gauss law for magnet. Now then, this is called the Gauss law for magnet. Yes, no? Sorry, magnets spherical shape hoy to bolo kya answer? What if magnet is spherical shape? Huh? Or तो नॉर्थ साउथ क्या हो ये पूछे? नॉर्थ साउथ तो खरेखर कहीं છે જ નહીં. You understand what I'm saying? North south is not really at any place. A bigger question that you can ask is what's the direction of magnetic? A more general question is what's the direction of magnetic moment? So each question is he gave the magnetized to the electron. What I mean to say is have you ever taken a piece of iron? If you take a piece of iron and a magnet से हम घस करो ना पड़ेगा तो ये magnet होगा. Have you noted that or not? Are you aware of this?
Yes.
Okay. So typically, if you take a rod, let's say you take an iron rod or an iron plate, અને એક magnet નો north pole લઈને તમે આમ કરતા. So what you are doing is you are trying to align the magnetic moments of the electrons. Under the electron ફરતા છે. We are trying to align the magnetic moment of the electron. એટલે એ રીતે align એક જે બાજુ થાય એ બાજુ એની magnetic moment આવશે. More detail later in the chapter. અત્યારે એટલું બસ સમજાણું. So like that, if you take a sphere and then you keep applying forces in a particular direction, so धीरे धीरे electrons धीरे धीरे turns on that. Or for example, let's say you try to put this in a uniform magnetic field like this. તો શું થશે બધા ડાયપોલ્સ ઈ બાજુ એલાઇન થવાની ટ્રાય કરશે કરેક્ટ ઓર નોટ why so to achieve stable equilibrium એટલે બધા ડાયપોલ્સ આમ એલાઇન થઈ જાય તો આને પછી બહાર કાઢ લો ને તો એ એની પોતાની મેગ્નેટિક મોમેન્ટ આમ થઈ જશે did you understand if it is ferromagnet clear તો આ કેસમાં એનો નોર્થ પોલ કેવો હોય તો ક્યાં કહેવાય everywhere on the right surface and where is south pole everywhere on the left surface સમજાણું એટલે બેઝિકલી આ પછી ખતરનાક ક્વેશ્ચન શું લાગ્યો repel અને attract કેવી રીતે કરે suppose you consider that this is south 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 and north 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 બરાબર એનાથી આ તો એ બહુ સિમ્પલ છે suppose you have got a metal piece with a hole within હવે suppose એને તમે મેગ્નેટાઇઝ કરવાની ટ્રાય કરો તો એમાં નોર્થ પોલ ને સાઉથ પોલ ક્યાં આવે એટલે it's not very clearly defined so what we should always talk about is magnetic moment suppose આવું છે આની બાજુમાં તમે કંઈક બીજું મૂકો whose magnetic moment is also in the same direction then they will attract each other then they will attract each other આનો સમજાય તો કોઈ વાંધો નહીં let's go back to electric એનાથી તરત સમજાય suppose this is a dipole આની dipole moment કઈ બાજુ right correct or not sure suppose here we put another dipole whose dipole moment is also towards the right તો આ બે એકબીજાને attract કરવા મળશે agree એટલે આવી રીતે actually decide થાય which magnet will attract which one એ north south વાળો છે ને એના છોકરા માટે though it is a very convenient way as long as you are talking about bar magnets it is a very convenient way એમાં કઈ ખોટું નથી but the moment you start talking about weird shapes એટલે પછી બધું confusion વાળું make sense right આ બે attract કરે તો આને જ આપણે કેવું કહીએ છીએ ખબર છે આમ મેગ્નેટિક મોમેન્ટ હોય so roughly speaking you can say north is on that side and south is on this side even અહીંયા south is on this side and north is on this side so opposite poles attract એવો એનો simplified એનો meaning છે સમજાણું sure otherwise the truth is that it will only do that thing which will decrease its potential energy એટલે આ બે નજીક આવશે ને તો એની potential energy decrease થશે because their magnetic moments are in the same direction it was opposite also you get it fine okay so north south makes good sense only in bar magnets but not so much in other weirdly shaped magnets right હવે so if you think that you can write it like mu 0 sigma pole strength then that is not going to work because at any particular place તમે બાર magnet લો for example અને ગમે એવી નાની Gaussian surface લો you still have both north and south over there right you still have both you have to go down to the level of an atom समझाए थे you have to go down to the level of an atom even below that level you are going to see the same figure કારણ કે electron loops હોય every loop will have field line going out and coming in તો તમે Gaussian surface ગમે ડ્રો કરશો જેટલી field line આમ જશે એટલી તો પાછી રાઈટ તો વિન્ડો છે એને મજા આવે કલર Understood what I'm saying? So you can never go smaller than that level. એટલે એ કઈ એનો કોઈ મીનિંગ જ નથી. Fine. So this is the Gauss law for magnetism. વર્ડમાં કેવી લખે? વર્ડમાં કેવી લખે? The magnetic flux linked with a closed surface is always zero. કેટલું લખવાનું એકદમ easy. Magnetic flux linked with closed surface is always zero. Okay. Now, I think example which we had to leave incomplete, if I remember it correctly. Part C બાકી હતો? ઓકે એમાં હવે તમને કઈ લાગશે નહીં એમ એબ્સોલ્યુટલી પાર્ટ C of example 2. What does it say? The bar magnet is replaced by a solenoid of cross-sectional area. So instead of having that bar magnet, we are having a solenoid. How much is the cross-sectional area of that solenoid? 2 units minus 4 meter square. Then how many turns? 1000 turns. But of the same magnetic moment. So magnetic moment of this solenoid is same as the magnetic moment of the bar magnet. In the previous two parts, we would have found the magnetic moment of the bar magnet. I think in part A, correct or not?
Yes.
So you can just put that value here and ms. What do you think is the magnetic moment of solenoid? Solenoid 8 turn હોય તો કેટલી magnetic moment આવે? Ia. So n turns will have Nia. Is that clear? Sure. So you can just write this as Nia is equal to whatever value we got here. Fine. Okay or not? Find the current. Find the current flow into the solenoid. N divided by. Okay. Lucky law step. Divided. Right. Example 5.3. I suggest that you go through it once. Try to answer those theoretical questions. बहुत टेंशन नहीं लेવાનો theoretical question. Okay. સમજી જવાનું બહુ એવું યાદ ન રહે તો ચાલે કે આનો આન્સર શું લખવાનો. Did you understand? Order. Next page. આ તો થઈ ગયું ને. Example 5.4. કે બાકી છે? બાકી છે? Sure? Yes. It's homework. અરે એમાં ઓલી ફોર્મ્યુલા છે magnetic field on axis and magnetic field on equator. આવડે ને ફોર્મ્યુલા? એની વેલ્યુ બરાબર? Right. Now example 5.5. This is one good question in this chapter. Quite conceptual. Okay, shall I erase everything from here? So what does it say? Example 5.5. Figure shows a small magnetized needle P placed at a point O. That's fixed, right? The arrow shows the direction of its magnetic. Arrow shows direction of its magnetic move. Here is the needle P, and it is pointing in this direction. Magnetic. Now, for equivalence, we can also draw a magnet so that north pole is here and south pole is here. Did you understand this? This is just another way of representing it. કોઈકને આ ફોર્મ ઈઝી લાગે, કોઈકને ખાલી magnetic moment depends on how you are using the sequence. The other arrows show different positions and orientations of magnetic moment of another identical magnetized needle Q. એટલે એક બીજો magnet છે નાનો. Right? Okay, and its different positions and orientations are shown. દેખાય છે Q1 to Q6. Fine. First place. In which configuration is system not in equilibrium? Barabar. Second, in which one is it in equilibrium and stable and unstable? સમજાણું ને? Question વાંચ્યો કે નહીં? B. And third one, where is the lowest potential energy out of all? Barabar. So let's start taking them one by one. પહેલા Q1 થી ચાલુ કરીએ. Where is Q1? Where is it? Over here. Did you see it? અહીંયા છે ને? And at little distance, right? And so, first thing to decide, equilibrium ક્યારે આવે એ વિચારો, પછી આપણે આગળ કરીએ. When do we say that a magnet or magnetic needle is in equilibrium. When angle between M vector and P vector will be 0. Now here who is creating magnetic field? We can say P is creating magnetic field. Is that fine? So એ જે એનું B આવે અને આનું magnetic moment એ બે same direction માં, right? Okay, so I'm going to draw magnetic field of P by blue pen. Okay, that makes it easier to visualize what P is. Good. At this point, what is the magnetic field of this magnet? Downwards? Yes or no? Yes. There are a couple of ways to do it. One. Suppose this is that magnet. So the main field line draw कर सको there is the main habit. Did you understand this? So our left side na point पर यहाँ magnetic field direction downward. Is that okay? This method is clear. Let's give you another alternative. Magnetic field at this point. अच्छा આ point આ magnet ना axis पर से equator. Axis the line that joins the pole એને axis કહેવાય ને તો આ vertical line કરું તો axis. Did you get that? અને horizontal line draw કરી છે અહીંયા તો equator. Did you get that? અને તો આ point ક્યાં છે? equator પર field ની formula બોલો. minus mu0 by 4 pi m vector by r vector. Minus આવે તેનો meaning શું? Direction of magnetic field and direction of this magnetic moment are opposite. So our magnetic moment upward. So here magnetic field upward. બે રીતે સમજાઈ ગયું. So what the angle between B vector and this M vector? 90. આ નહીં. આ magnetic moment છે ને અહીંયા. This magnet is placed here. Yes or no? Yes. So our magnetic moment and our magnetic field created by that. Right? So this magnetic moment and this magnetic field which is created by that. Are they this line? 90 equilibrium or not equilibrium? Not equilibrium. Equilibrium क्या रहेगा? 0. Angle should be 0 or 180. Clear? So is Q1 equilibrium or not equilibrium? Not equilibrium. Okay. चलो Q2 पर जाओ. Where's Q2? On this side. Okay. Right, so this is Q2's magnetic moment. અહીંયા magnetic field કઈ direction માં આવશે? Downward or upward? Downward. Sure? Yes. Right, that's correct. So અહીંયા downward कर नाखो. So what the angle now? 90 again. Equilibrium or not equilibrium? So first and second are definitely not equilibrium. પછી આગળ જાઓ. Third, fourth બધા કરવાના છે. વિચારો મંડળ. What about third? Where's the third one? Right side down. Where's the third one? અહીંયા છે. And pointing down. And more distance but pointing down. So this is Q3. Right. So a point for magnetic field kઈ direction? Downward. Yes. So અહીંયા downward જતું. ઓલું equator પર જ છે એટલે downward. Okay. Angle between them 0. Sure. Stable or unstable equilibrium? Stable equilibrium. So Q3 is stable. Okay, લખતા જજો. આ ટેબલ બનાવતા જજો. 1 2 3 4 5 6 not equilibrium, stable equilibrium. પછી fourth ક્યાં છે? Point. Okay, on top and pointing upward. Okay, downward. Okay, so this is Q4. That point is on axis. Correct or not? The axis magnetic field direction. Same direction as magnetic moment of the source magnet. Correct or not? F coordinates of B on axis vector is 2mu0 by 4 pi m vector by r2. तो माइनस में आवे ने. Clear? So અહીંયા magnetic field direction बोलो. Upward. Sure. Why? Because this source magnetic moment is upward. समझाય છે ને? Confusion થતો હોય તો go back to this diagram. It helps. કેમ કરવાનું? અહીંયા magnetic field line આમ straight જ ન જવી જોઈએ. એકેય બાજુ turn ન થાય. Do you understand? Or not clear? સમજાણું ને? Right. So Here the magnetic field is upward. So angle between them how much? 180. बराबर ने? So which equilibrium? Stable or unstable? हाँ, चलो fifth. बराबर fifth. Fifth क्या है? Okay, left side and pointing upward. Okay, અહીંયા B ની direction તો B ની direction downward આવશે ને? Same as this of course. Correct or not? ચલો હવે angle between them 180. Stable or unstable? Unstable ને? થઈ ગયું. હવે 6 ક્યાં છે? નીચે point table છે. Okay, so it is 6 1. અહીંયા magnetic field ની direction શું છે? Upward. Clear, same as the source magnetic moment. So angle between them 0. So are they stable? So which are stable? 3 and 6 are stable. And 1 and 2 are not equilibrium. 4 and 5 are unstable. બે part Q4 angle. Field vector and Q4 direction is clear. આ તો ક્વેશ્ચન માં લખ્યું. B વેક્ટર નથી સમજાતું ને?
B વેક્ટર નીચેનો
એટલે ઈ પૂછ્યું B વેક્ટર નથી સમજાતું ને? આમ થાય ને. Magnetic field line will come out from north and it will go straight up. So here the magnetic field is upward. Got it? Right? So angle between them 180. So now A and B are done, right? ठीक है ने? Which is not equilibrium, which is stable, which is unstable, બધું પતી ગયું. હવે last question છે. Which configuration gives lowest potential energy? Okay. One thing is quite clear. Stable equilibrium is only possible for low potential energy, not for high. High potential energy માં શું થાય? Unstable equilibrium. Application of derivative. હાલે બરાબર. આવું યાદ છે F is equal to minus du by dx કે del u by del x આવી લખતા હતા. Yes or no? Equilibrium કોને કહેવાય? When force or torque something is 0. તો એનો મતલબ કે differentiation of u is 0. બે વાર થાય ને. Two possibilities. Either that point is a local maxima or a local minimum. Is that clear? Yes. So u max હોય તો અને u minimum હોય તો આ બે પોઈન્ટમાં શું ફરક? This is the case of unstable equilibrium. કેમ? સહેજ હલાવશો તો ભાગી જશે અહીંયાથી because it does not like to have more potential energy. It likes to have less potential energy. આ એકદમ અહીંયા વોલ મૂકો તો શું થાય? Stable equilibrium. જો minimum છે. This is the graph of potential energy. અહીંયા મૂકો તો potential energy is maximum. Force તો બે જગ્યાએ 0 છે because slope of tangent is 0. Did you understand everything? Yes. Okay, fine. So we can have stable equilibrium only where the potential energy is lower. હવે આ ક્વેશ્ચન કેના જેવો છે ખબર છે? મેથ્સ ની લેંગ્વેજ માં. You have to find global minimum. બે મિનિમમ આવી ને આપણે ક્યાં આવ્યું મિનિમમ? એક I minimum છે અને એક I minimum. Now out of the two we have to decide which is the lesser minimum. There the potential energy will be lowest. Now, so we are not going to do any more math first. Where physics first. So we are going to compare those two cases. Which two cases should we compare? Which two cases should we compare? Q3 and Q6. Is that clear or not? We should compare Q3 and Q6. Now, what's the difference between those cases? આમાં બે magnetic moment એક જ direction અને આમાં બે magnetic moment opposite direction. Is it fine? That one. The other thing is, given that this distance is same everywhere, आप circle જેવું કઈ કહે so distance the same છે આ. Okay, so in which case will the force acting or will the magnetic field be higher? In Q6 case, in Q3 case, which one? In which case will the magnetic field be stronger or the force acting between this and this or this and this will be more? In which case the field will be higher or force will be more? Q3 or Q6. There possibility છે. Third possibility equal. Give reasons.
Yes.
Raise your hand for reasons. નહીં તો કેસ કરવા જેવું નથી. ત્રણ possibility A B C ગમે તે શું ખબર છે. Alright, group your reasons.
On the axis, the formula of the magnetic field, magnetic
On the axis, yeah. What is
2
that?
kp by r.
2 kp by r cube. Electric field में पहुंचेगा. 2 mu, we understand your sentiments. Mu 0 by 4 pi into m by r cube. That is the formula on axis. Okay, and on equator
Mu 0
minus mu 0 by 4 pi.
mu 0 by m by r cube.
Minus mu 0 by 4 pi m vector by r cube. Okay,
2
so
times and
so which one is more?
Q6.
On equator or on axis?
On
Which is
axis.
more?
Axis.
On axis is more. Yes or no?
Yes.
Clear or not clear? Same axis વાળી part number 2 આવે. Equator માં no આવે ને? Sure. Everyone gets that distance r આ બાજુ r. Clear? Yes. So if which force is going to be more? For Q3 or for Q6? Q6. All right? Sure. You got that? Your answer was also same. આ પહેલા ઊંધું બોલતો હતો અને પછી આન્સર બોલતા બોલતા એને ખબર પડી ગઈ કે આમ ન આવે એટલે આમ બોલી ગઈ. બરાબર ને એવું થયું ને? No problem. Sit down. Is it clear? So in this case, the force between these two is more compared to this case. Correct or not? Sure? Alright. Now, if force is more, so what? How does that make it low potential energy? Well, the idea is simple. If you would consider two kinds of stable equilibrium, but we'll try to understand this with a ball that is rolling. Suppose you displace this by a little bit. So because the slope is quite steep, the force acting on it will be more. Agreed or not? Like mg sin theta, yeah, the inclined plane. So because of that, the force acting on it will be more. Compare that situation with this. Here what happens? The force acting is less. Agreed? Absolutely clear? Okay. So what's really going on is that this equilibrium is deeper in the sense it is lower in potential energy. આમાંથી એને બહાર કાઢવું tough છે compared to from here. It's just like this. કોઈ તમને એમ કહે કે ચલો અહીંયા નીચે જાઓ અને આ બોલને બહાર કાઢવાનો છે. Which is easier to remove from this stable equilibrium? First or second? Second. Why? Because here the forces are less. અહીંયા તો 0 છે, agree. But if you move it right side or left side, then the forces acting are less. સમજાય છે? Sure. So the same thing here. If you turn it left side, right side, anything, આ કેસમાં તો 0 torque. આમાં force નથી, આમાં torque. Turn it little bit. Then the torque acting here is much more. In fact, going to be double compared to the torque acting here. એટલે આના જેવો જ કેસ છે. આમાં સેજ ડિસ્પ્લેસ થાય તો બહુ ફોર્સ લાગે. આમાં સેજ ડિસ્પ્લેસ થાય તો એટલો બધો ફોર્સ નહીં લાગે. So that's why what this means is this is more stable. આમાંથી બહાર કાઢવું વધારે ટફ પડે ને. Make sense or not? Right? And યાદ રહેવું છે. It loves that position. That means it is most stable. Clear or not? સમજાણું? So which will be the most stable or which will have less potential energy? Q6. આઈડિયા આવી ગયો બરાબર? કન્ફ્યુઝન નથી થતું ને કાંઈ? Right. Let's go to the next topic now. જોઈ રહ્યા છીએ કે બીજું નથી વચ્ચે ફેરો કે આ એક્ઝામ્પલ આપણે પછી કરું 5.6. ઓકે, માર્ક ઇટ, યાદ રાખજો. It's a very interesting one. Earth's magnetic field or Earth's magnetism. We don't have a lot of time, so I will get through with one very basic geography related definition. પછી આનું રીઝન તમે લખ્યું કે નહીં? એમને એમ કરતો તો મળશે નહીં. ખબર નહીં ગ્રુપમાં રીઝન લખેલો હશે. ના તો એમને એમ લખાય આવું બેસ્ટ હા પણ એક્ઝામ્પલ કોને કહેવાય? જેમાં એક્સપ્લેનેશન હોય એને જ એક્ઝામ્પલ કહેવાય. સીધો આન્સર આપવાનો હોય તો એને એક્ઝામ્પલ કહેવાય. સીધો એમાં લખ નહીં ને which is most I mean as low as potential. લખો હોય તો લખી નાખો યાદ કે નોટબુકમાં. Because force acting torque acting because torque acting for small displacement, torque acting for small displacement will be more torque acting for small displacement will be more in Q6. એનો શું meaning? That if you have that Q6 like this and આમ સેન્સ ટર્ન કરો તો કેટલો ટોર્ક લાગે? એ આમાં વધારે હોય, અહીંયા ઓછો હોય. Why? Because here magnetic field is less and on axis magnetic field is more. Fine. Okay. देखो बराबर बोलू और मैग्नेटिज्म શીખવાનું છે પણ પહેલા એક વર્ડ geographic meridian. Okay, what is it? Geographic meridian. પહેલા તો મેરિડિયન શું હોય? આવું સાંભળ્યું છે AM PM શું હોય? AM PM ખબર ને ટાઈમ માં આવે ને AM PM એમાં M શું છે? મેરિડિયન. A એટલે એન્ટી એટલે બિફોર એન્ટી મેરિડિયન અને B એટલે સોરી P એટલે પોસ્ટ or past મેરિડિયન બરાબર એટલે પછી. What that is actually referring to is passage of sun. When sun has not reached meridian, so this time ne kehvay A, and when sun has crossed meridian, this time ne kehvay P. But meridian says no. Meridian is first of all an imaginary thing, imaginary plane. So that imaginary plane which connects three things: the north pole, the place where you are standing, and the south. ત્રણ પોઈન્ટ ને કનેક્ટ કરે ને એવું વર્ટિકલ પ્લેન, નોટ હોરિઝોન્ટલ, વર્ટિકલ. You understand what I'm saying? It connects the pole to pole, south pole and north pole, and also the place where you are standing. All the three in one single vertical plane. That plane is called meridian. બરાબર. હવે દેખાય કેવું? દેખાય first of all it's not real, it is imaginary. And imagination કર્યા વગર તો ચાલવાનું છે જ નહીં. Right? You will not be able to understand it truly. Suppose this is a ball which is our model for Earth. Let's say this is not pole of Earth and some pole. Alright, a ball like this, and you want to connect this point on the side of the ball with this and this point, and a plane draw करवाना which is vertical. For example, well done. Okay, so if you want to connect this point where you are standing with the north and the south, a plane draw करवाना which is vertical. So vertical one you are standing here, so for you a vertical plane should be like this, correct or not? મારા માટે vertical plane કેવો હોય? આમ રાખો તો આ vertical નો કહેવાય, આમ vertical. Did you understand? આમ કે ગમે. Clear? So can you imagine now where it will be going? आप में vertical plane रहते हैं connecting where I'm standing with the north pole. आम north pole क्या है होते हैं and the south pole, and it's an imaginary plane. So imagine a giant wall constructed all the way from south to north and passing through where you are standing. That is what a magnetic meridian. It's always vertical. Did you get that? એટલે ઈ પ્લેનમાં તમે આને આમ કટ કરી શકો ને, તો કટ કરો અહીંયાથી અહીંયાથી ને અહીંયાથી ત્રણેય જગ્યાએથી કટ થઈ જશે. But see, the challenging thing is, for every place you have different meridian. What do I mean? Ball imagine કરો. હવે આ બોલ ની આગળ એટલે અહીંયા કોઈ પોઈન્ટ છે, એટલે આ બાજુ અર્થ ઉપર આમ ચાલી નહીં આવે. Did you get that? Because Earth is a sphere or spherical at least. So આમ ચાલી નહીં આવી શકે ને. So now if I want to connect this point, this north pole and this south pole, the meridian કેવો થશે? આમ થશે. Did you understand? Okay. Another way to understand all this, આવી લાઈન તમે ડ્રો કરતા હતા અર્થ ઉપર, આ લાઈનને શું કહેવાય? લોંગિટ્યુડ. યુ રિમેમ્બર ધેટ? હવે એવું વિચારો કે જ્યાં જે લોંગિટ્યુડ હતી ને એની ઉપર મોટી વોલ કન્સ્ટ્રક્ટ કરી નાખી છે કે that is nothing but meridian. Which meridian? Geographic meridian. Did you get that? Yes? Sure? So every place has a different meridian. મજાની વાત છે. આનું મેરિડિયન આમ અર્થ ઉપર થોડા પછી આ બાજુ ચાલો તો મેરિડિયન આમ ટ્રાન્સફર થવા પડે, પછી આ બાજુ મેરિડિયન આમ જશે. Did you get that? Sure? North pole is on all meridians. समझाई थे क्या? Because every longitude passes through north pole and similarly south pole. Obviously meridian की definition है दी है, it connects the north pole with the south pole. ये एक point तो है, but the plane should be vertical. The longitude તમને સમજ પડતી હોય કે કેવી રીતે હોય longitude, okay, on the earth surface. તો બસ એની પર દિવાલ બનાવી, that is a meridian. Clear? Okay, બધાની અલગ અલગ હશે. I hope it like that. The meridian through Surendranagar, for example, here is Surendranagar, will not pass through Ahmedabad. Correct or not? સમજાણું કે નથી જાણું? એ આમ થોડું સાઈડમાં રહી, એની મેરિડિયન અલગ હશે. Clear? Right. Please remember this concept. We will continue with another kind of meridian and more things next time.